In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 websites which are all earning over $100,000 every single month from blogging. Now, the reason why I'm going to share this video with you is to break down this whole method of blogging to make money online, and I'll share with you their earnings because they're not hiding anything. They're showing you exactly how much they're earning, where their earnings are coming from, and I'll show you exactly how they are doing this. And then once I've shown you the websites and basically their earnings and how they're doing this, I'll then share with you a free resource so that you can potentially go ahead and get your own blog or your own website set up and hopefully start making some money. Now, you're not going to earn $100,000 a month right off the bat. It's just not going to happen. But I just want to share this video with you to show you the potential of this and how simple it actually can be. So let's jump into it and I'll walk you through this step by step. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to cover exactly how you can make money creating content like this that you can see on the screen, and I'll share with you some websites and blogs which are making just ridiculous amounts of money. And now, like 3 years on from when I first created this blog here. So if I just quickly scroll down and show this, so my Not Taught at School blog, this started in April of 2017, and you can see all of these different months when I was creating content and putting it out on the blog. In the beginning, I didn't have a clue how to, essentially make money with this. I didn't know how to structure my articles. I didn't know how to get my articles to rank on Google and lots more. So within this video, I'm going to share with you a free resource which will show you exactly how you can start, creating blogs for free. It shows you how to create the content and the structure and lots more. But before we look at that, let's look at these websites which are earning this ridiculous amount of money every single month. So if we come over here, this is the first website. Now this is called Breaking the 1%, and this is run by, you can see down here, this is run by Jeff and Ben. And this here, you can see how we made $347,000 and a little bit of change for blogging in 2 months. So in January, they earned $180,000. In February, they earned $167,000. And this here, look at this. This was from 2019. Since then, they've actually gone on to be earning over $200,000, but they actually stopped putting out these income reports. Now, I believe from memory, you can still get these via their email list. I'm pretty certain of that. But this is just a ridiculous amount of money, isn't it, that you can earn in a month from blogging. Now, you can see here, this moment in time, they're on day 1,475. So they started this in 2015. So let me just quickly grab this and scroll down here and show you this. So look at this. This is what's coming up to 2 years ago now, isn't it? So February 2019, in a month, they earn $167,000 from blogging. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? Now, a lot of their income on this website here, what they're doing here is, this isn't from this Breaking the 1% blog. So let me share with you where the actual bulk of their income is coming from. So this is one of their websites. Where all this money is predominantly coming from, it's coming from this website over here. It's called dollarsprout.com. Now this here is a finance blog, and you can see here, look, we've got side hustles, jobs, investing, passive income, online business, freelancing, and money apps. But basically, they've gone from zero to over $100,000 a month in a little over 4 years. It's crazy, isn't it? So this is one website, and look, let me share with you how they're earning this money. So if I come down here, let's just go into this here, 12 ways to make money as a freelance writer. They're making money in a number of different ways. So if I come down here, the first one will be, let's come a bit further down the page, they will have, you see these here, Mediavine. This here is an advertisement. This here is an advertisement. So they're getting paid every time these are shown to somebody on the blog. And also, if I click on here, they'll earn money this way. If I scroll further on the page, I'm sure they will have, yeah, let's come down here, they will have affiliate links on this page somewhere. So if I click on here, it's going to take me over here. Look, here, this will be an affiliate link. Come further on the page. Look, this will be an affiliate link, a paid ad, further on the page, etc. So basically, that is a couple of ways how they're making their income. They're making money from affiliate marketing, they're making money from paid ads, and also what you'll notice is they also have got this here. This is whereby they're capturing people's emails. So literally, if I wanted this 17 genius ways to make money from home, it's a free guide. I just give them my name and email. They will send me this for free. Then what they will be doing is they're building an email list basically. So then whenever they have a new product coming out or they have a product that they're promoting or marketing, they can email their list and make some pretty decent money from this. So this is a few ways that they're making money. And if you look at the content on here that's been written, this isn't rocket science. It's not difficult to go ahead and write this. And, in this niche here, this finance niche, if you don't have a clue about any of this sort of stuff, well, what do you do? How do you do this? Well, let me give you a real life example. 12 ways to make more money as a freelance writer. I'd take this, I'd go onto Google. So you've got this one here, look, 12 ways to make more money as a freelance writer. The title here is the exact same title as the one from Dollar Sprout. So come down here, look, this one, look, 12 tips, 24 easy tips. So basically you go through, you have a look at some of these different, articles, and you don't copy it, but you just get creative. You go through and you look at this one here, say, right, they've got 24 easy ways, I'll go in this, I'll look at the websites, and you put it into your own words. So this is just one example for you, but this website here, this Dollar Sprout, they're earning over $200,000 a month from this process. This is just one website, and this is in the finance niche. Let me share another one with you really quickly. This is called itsalovelylife.com. Now this website here, or this blog, they're focused on blogging and family vacations. Basically, look how to start a blog, blogging tips, blogging courses, family vacations. Now in 2019, look how much this website here earned. Let's just scroll down. Where's the total? Come further on the page. Where on earth is it? Look at this. So this here was 2019 affiliate and sponsored posts. So then over £1 million in affiliate sales and sponsored posts. So if you don't know what a sponsored post is, this is whereby somebody will reach out to you and they will say, can we create a article for your blog or for your website, and we will pay you to put that on your blog. So you're getting content created for you, you're having to do no work, and you're being paid for it. It's ridiculous. But look here, you can see the total for their online business was over £2 million. And what's this come from? Affiliate sales, it's come from sponsored posts, and then it's also come from online courses and program sales. It's just ridiculous amounts of money. So this is another website making well over $100,000 a month, and it's this one here called It's a Lovely Life. The third one I'll share with you is this website over here. Let me just close this. Now, when you come onto this website here, you see up here on the top right, if you click on here, they show you exactly how much they earn, and also, come further down here, you can go back and look at, the previous years and the previous months, but he will show you how much you earn. So look at gross income, how much, net income. And then if you scroll further on the page here, look, they even show you the revenue streams. So they've got sponsorships, they've got online courses, they've got affiliate marketing, and they've also got journals. Come further on the page, they break it down. Normally, here we go. Click on view full report. Come further down the page here. It's broken down into normally they have a list of the different products which they are marketing. Basically, here we go. So you can see, look at this. So they give you everything. So an actual breakdown of the sales. So products and service income. So they're creating their own journals. So they had 392 sales, earning $11,000. Come further down the page here. There's another one here. Podcasts here. Come further on the page. I mean, look at this. Podcast sponsorships, 142,000. And then come down here, we've got affiliate income. So they earn $12,000 from affiliate incomes. And again, they show you which affiliate programs that they're promoting. So they've got Audible, Bluehost, ClickFunnels, coaching referrals, and lots more. And basically, all of these websites, they all have similar things in common. They're making money with affiliate marketing. But let's just go ahead and show you a blog article so you can see one on this one here. Let's just click on this one here, best wireless microphones for podcasting. Scroll down here, look, this here is an affiliate link. Come down here, they've got a picture, a bit of content about this, and they will have a link over to Amazon, I bet, yeah. Click on here. Yeah, it sends me over to Amazon. So that's how they're earning the money there. So all of these websites and blogs, they all have similar things in common. They're all doing affiliate marketing. They're all giving something away for free. So look, this here is a course. This here is a course. This is a free course. This is a free course. You give them your name and their email. They will then follow up with you about, different products, different services, which they think that you would, find useful or recommend to you. This website over here, Dollar Sprout, they're doing the same. And if I quickly jump over onto my blog, this is a recent article. Scroll down the page here so you can see on the right hand side here, I've got a members area whereby I'm giving away free stuff. Come further down this article here, look, members area, get instant access to free courses, ebooks and lots more. So I've got a members area, but you can only get access to this if you give me your name and email. This is all to do with making money online and working from home. So in there I have resources for you, and then I have an email list. So if products come out that I think you'll find useful, or it'll be something that I think is a good way to make money online, I will email that to you, and then if you purchase that, I earn an affiliate commission. And then also here, so like this blog article here, look, creative way to make money online and sell printables. If I scroll down here, I've got some content about this. I've got different links on here. And then if I come further on the page, guess what I'm doing? I've got an affiliate product for this, and anyone clicks on here and purchases this, I earn an affiliate commission. Then we're on to proofreading. Similar story, examples, and then this one here is sending them over to a free course. Then we've got this one here, research groups and other bits. But basically, the theme is pretty much the same over on all, well, it's the same on all of these blogs, except for I'm not earning 100 grand a month from mine just yet. But now, at this moment in time, 3 years on from when I first created this, I now know how to structure my content. I know how to, create the articles that will rank within the search engines like Google and Bing and these other, search engines. When I first started doing this for the first 4 or 5 months, I didn't have a clue how to structure my content, how to, create articles the correct way. I didn't know about keyword research and lots of other bits. If I'd have known that before, I would be getting a hell of a lot more traffic than what I'm doing now. But you've seen over here, these websites here. So we've got this Dollar Sprout, we've got this one over here, this eofire.com, and we've also got It's a Lovely Life. It's all the same concept. It's creating content around a certain, category or a niche. Within there, we have affiliate marketing, and we also have free courses. So like this one here, a blogging business. People can get access to this free course here. Guess what happens within this free course? There are affiliate links within here. And then we've got sponsored posts and other bits. So it's pretty cool. So at the beginning of the video, I said to you, I'll share with you some free resources. So the one I'm going to share with you, and I'll leave a link to this down below for you, is this platform over here. It's called the Wealthy Affiliate. It's been around for 16 years. It's available in 193 countries. Now, why I use this platform and I recommend this is for a number of reasons, but this is predominantly the main one. This here, proven strategies to attract loads of traffic. So this website here, Not only will it give you, you can see on here, you can build beautiful profit-ready websites without any design skills or anything, and you can get 2 websites up and running for free using the link down below. But not only can you create the website, it will show you how to drive traffic to your blog or your website. That's the most important part, because you can sit and create content, but if you're not structuring it correctly and you're not using, keywords the correct way and within your content, you're never going to get any eyes on your content basically. So there's a link below, go ahead, sign up for free, and then on the inside, this is what it looks like on the inside of Wealthy Affiliate. So on the right hand side here, we have got a live chat. So this is people within the community, and as you can see, it's a very active community. There's people in here asking questions, helping each other out. On the dashboard here, the homepage, people share their their thoughts, questions. They also share their blog posts, and basically they get feedback on this and other bits. So it's a really great platform to use if you want to make money with blogging. It also comes with training. So if I go up here to where it says training, and I'll come in here, you can see these are all of the different things that are available to you. So if I click on Training HQ, you can see these are all courses. These are all inside of this platform here. And all of these ratings here, these have been given by the community basically. So people go through, take the course, and then they give it a feedback. And you can see all of the different ones on here. Look, how to submit your site to DuckDuckGo. This is a bootcamp for understanding Bing, Yahoo, and the power of paid per click phrases. Come down here, look, how to increase website page views and visitors. How to create a 6-figure website. Choosing your direction, it starts with a niche. So basically, it walks you through everything step by step. There's lots of training inside of here. There's also an affiliate bootcamp, and look, I won't lie to you, I haven't gone through all of this because some of this here, I already knew this after getting other courses and paying for some courses, but it's really good stuff inside of here. So you've got the training included in here, you've got classes, you've got courses, and then you've also got the community down here. But look, if you're looking for a genuine way to make money online and from home, there aren't many better opportunities than blogging. And the reason why I say that is because when it comes to blogging, you create the content once and then it's done and it's up on the internet for you. And essentially it can bring you in a passive income. So let me share this one over here. So this article that I've done recently, this 20 real ways to make money from home, I've done the work once and this is now going to bring me in a passive income. Because people are landing over on the blog, they're putting in their name and their email, they're going into my autoresponder in my members area, they're also reading the content on here, and if they're looking for a particular way to make money online, like this printables one here, they purchase this, I earn an affiliate commission. Now I don't have to go back into this and make any edits or anything because I've done the work once. Now I may go back into this in 6 months or 12 months and update this, but overall the work's been done. So this here is a bit of content which essentially now is a passive income for me. And I've now got, I think I've got coming up to about 70 articles over on this blog over here. And look, I have numerous blogs now. I don't just have this Not Taught at School blog. If you're a long time viewer of this channel, I have niche blogs in all sorts of niches. I've got one in the crypto niche. I've got one in lineman boots and tools. I've got like fly killing websites. I've got lots of bizarre ones, but they're all pretty decent in terms of the income that they're bringing for me. So that's today's video. There'll be links to everything down below for you. So yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.